Next up, we have a system again. We're going to have a system. We have this scenario, and we have to come up with some equations that can help us solve for whatever unknowns there are. Then we're supposed to create a matrix from that system and solve it with the calculator. So I think my box is a little too small for my calculator. We'll see how it works. It says that the school Julia is going to sells tickets for a talent show. On the first day, ticket sales in school sold 3 senior citizen tickets, 9 child tickets for 87 bucks. School took in $66 on the second day by selling 3 senior tickets and 6 child tickets. What is the price of each of for 1 senior ticket for 1 child ticket? So those are the things we're trying to find. Price of 1 senior citizen ticket, 1 child ticket. I'm going to call the child tickets C. I'm going to call the senior citizen tickets S. So now let's come up with some equations. 3 senior citizen tickets. So the cost of a senior citizen ticket times 3. So the senior citizen ticket was $5 times 3. That means $15 there. Plus 9 child tickets is equal to 87. Second equation, $66. 3 senior citizen, 6 child. So again, 3 senior citizen, 6 child is equal to 66. And this one is set up really well for elimination. This is the first time I've done it in a video, but 3s and 3s. If we add these equations, we get 6s. That's not what we want to do. We want to get rid of one of our variables. So what I'm going to do is subtract 3s minus 3s, 0s. But then we have to do the same thing here. 9c minus 6c, which is 3c. 87 minus 66 is 21. You divide by 3 and you get that the cost of a child ticket, $7. Then we need to find the price of a senior citizen ticket. So I'm going to use equation 2 down here. 3s plus 6c equals 66. And plug in 7. Oops. 6. This is not what I meant to do, but 6 times 7 equals 66. 3 senior citizen tickets plus 42. Okay, so 42 is the amount we made off of child tickets, children's tickets. 6 times 7. And we subtract 42 from both sides. 3 senior citizen is 24. S equals. So our solution, $8 for senior tickets and $7 for child tickets. I'm not writing tickets again. You get it. Okay, so that's the solution, but we're supposed to solve it with a matrix. So I kind of erase some of the red stuff here. Try to. Man, if you know my eraser struggles here, you know that was just great. All right, so let's do a matrix. The matrix looks like this in the little brackets, and our matrix is we do rows by columns, so 2 rows by 3 columns, and we just take the numbers 3, 9, 87, 3, 6, 66. The main thing you need to make sure of is that you have the same variable in each column, S, then C. So when we get our solution, we know what it means. And so how do we put that in? We'll hit second matrix. If you go over to math, which is by hitting the over right arrow, go up until you get to ref, ref, and hit enter. Then you're going to hit alpha and zoom. And this is different for If you don't have an 84 plus, I think it'll be a little different, and I'll do that one too before the video's over, so stick around if that's you. We have to change the dimensions of our matrix because it's not a 3 by 4, it's a 2 by 3. Let's say you thought it was a 3 by 2, and you put it in, and it kind of creates this matrix for you. If it looked wrong, if it was too tall, not wide enough, then you just know you flipped your numbers around backwards. Okay, the last thing we gotta do, not gonna be able to see the whole thing, but maybe enough. 3, we enter in all our numbers, 3, 9, 87, all right? Yep. And then the next row, 3, 6, 66, enter. Okay, 1 what? Remember that column represented senior citizen tickets. 1 senior citizen ticket is $8. 1 child ticket is $7. And so you might put ref in front of that, and then write your matrix down here that has your solution in it, 0, 1, 7, and you get the same thing. If you're still here, maybe you don't have an 84, so we'll do that the other way. Second, second matrix button. We want to edit a matrix, and I'll edit matrix A. So I already have a matrix in there, but I'm going to change it 2 by 3, and I'll do the same thing I did before. 3, enter, 9, enter, 87, enter, 3, 6, 66. So I have my matrix in there. So once you do that, you hit second mode. Don't panic, it's still there. Hit second matrix again, and you can see matrix A is stored as a 2 by 3 matrix. That's good, because we did that. I'm going to go again to ref this time, but instead of hitting alpha and zoom like we did the last time, you're going to hit second matrix again. I like this one because you just go back to the same place over and over again. And you select matrix A because that's where we put our system, or our matrix for our system. And you see you get the same answer. So 2 ways to play if you've got the calculator, different calculators.